You're born inside a sleek white box, fresh off the assembly line. You're Apple's pride, the AirPods Pro, polished, perfect, and ready to deliver that premium $249 sound. But deep down, you know your destiny. You're either going to drown, disappear, or die in 18 months flat. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, because I'm exposing how the tech you love is secretly designed to self-destruct. And quick challenge, comment below how long your AirPods have lasted. 6 months? A year? I'm betting it's not 2. Your first day feels magical. Your owner unboxes you like you're a piece of the future. They test noise cancellation, switch on spatial audio, and brag, "Bro, this sounds insane." You're glowing, literally. You connect instantly to their iPhone. You're living your best life. But then you meet your first enemy, gravity. You slip out of their pocket in a Starbucks parking lot and smack, straight onto the concrete, case cracked, scratches everywhere. But hey, you're still working, right? Just not quite the same. Drop the exact place you first dropped your AirPods. I bet half of you are typing driveway or gym floor. Here's where it gets dark. You weren't built to last. Your battery? Sealed shut with industrial glue. No replacement, no repair, just expiration date. Apple doesn't call you earbuds, you're basically a subscription service. You die, they sell you another pair. Repeat. Think about it. The average AirPods battery lasts 18 to 24 months. That's shorter than a hamster's lifespan. But instead of mourning you, your owner just sighs and orders AirPods 4. Now, you'd think your biggest threat is damage, right? Wrong. It's your own design. You're tiny, slippery, and white, aka perfectly engineered to vanish. You slide out of pockets, fall into drains, get eaten by dogs. And when your owner tries to find you, guess what? Find My only works if your battery's still alive, which, of course, it never is. Drop a skull and crossbones if you've ever lost just the left AirPod. Why is it always the left one? But let's be real. Apple knew exactly what they were doing. The fragility, the glued batteries, the short lifespan. It's not bad design, it's brilliant business. Your $249 isn't for premium sound. It's for the privilege of buying again and again. And people love it. They've been trained to. Let that sink in. Wired Apple EarPods cost $19 and lasted years. AirPods? 10 times the price, 1/10 the life. Apple sold convenience like a dream and built the world's most profitable disposable gadget. So here's the question that haunts every AirPod ever made. How many AirPods will your owner buy before realizing they're not purchasing tech? They're renting it until the battery dies. Because, let's face it, once you're in Apple's ecosystem, you're trapped. Leaving feels harder than just paying another $249 every 2 years. Every time you charge, your battery weakens. Every drop adds another scar. Every cycle brings you one step closer to becoming expensive trash. If you're watching this right now with AirPods in your ears, congratulations. You're listening to your own eulogy. Comment your wildest AirPods story. A toilet drop? Washing machine? Dog chewed one? I'm featuring the craziest ones in the next video. And if this made you rethink how much money you've spent on premium tech, hit that like button. And subscribe for more uncomfortable truths about the gadgets dying in your pocket right now. Because remember, you're not owning your tech, you're leasing your lifestyle.